Jobber's pricing changes matter most for small service businesses because the platform bundles scheduling, invoicing, and client management into one system. That means you're not just paying for software, you're paying for how much manual admin time it removes from your day. By the end of this, you'll know how to judge whether Jobber's current pricing structure is actually worth it for your type of business. The first thing to look at is what Jobber replaces in your workflow. Instead of using separate tools for scheduling, quotes, invoices, and follow-ups, everything runs inside one dashboard. That consolidation is what usually justifies the cost for contractors, cleaners, and field service businesses that spend hours managing jobs manually. The second factor is how often you actually use the system during a normal work week. If you're only handling a few jobs a month, you may not feel the benefit enough to justify the monthly expense. But if you're constantly scheduling jobs, sending invoices, and chasing payments, the time saved starts to become the main value. Another part of the decision is payment tracking and follow-ups. Jobber can automate reminders for unpaid invoices, which reduces the need to manually chase clients. For many small businesses, getting paid faster has a bigger impact than any single feature in the platform. You also need to consider how organized your current system already is. If you're still using spreadsheets, paper notes, or separate apps for every task, switching to one system can remove a lot of friction. But if your current setup is already streamlined, the improvement may feel smaller. To decide if Jobber pricing is worth it, compare it against the time you lose each week managing admin tasks. If you're spending hours on scheduling, invoicing, and follow-ups, the platform usually pays off in saved time and fewer missed payments. If your workload is light or irregular, the cost may outweigh the benefit. The main idea is simple. Jobber is most valuable when it replaces manual work, not when it duplicates tools you barely use. Focus on how much time and payment friction it removes from your daily operations. Start by listing your current workflow and identifying where automation would actually change your day-to-day. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns of business tools and whether they're actually worth paying for.